Hi, I'm Maggie, one of the reference librarians at Dominican University, New York. Today, I'll introduce you to Dominican Discovery, which you can use to find sources for undergraduate and graduate coursework. When you're doing academic research, the best place to start finding sources is your college library's collection. All the books, ebooks, journal articles, databases, and other content in the collection have been selected and vetted by your professors and librarians. The Sullivan Library's collection includes over 90 online databases, which are dedicated to many different subjects. Dominican Discovery allows you to search both DUNY's physical collections and almost all of our online databases at once. To get started, let's go to the library's homepage, duny.edu/Sullivan Library, and click the red Search button. This will open up Dominican Discovery's basic search page, which will display a single search box. We recommend signing into your MyEBSCO account by clicking the MyEBSCO button in the top right and clicking the blue Sign in to MyEBSCO button. You might need to make a new account and allow personalized search results before moving on to the next step. Signing into your account makes it easy to save your research, and you'll know that you're logged in if your first name is visible in the top right. Let's say you're doing research on a topic like hair. If you click into the search box and start typing in hair, you'll see search suggestions like hair loss prevention and publication suggestions like Hair Matters, Beauty, Power, and Black Women's Consciousness, or Hair, Its Power and Meaning in Asian Cultures. For now, we'll keep hair in the search box as it is and click the magnifying glass icon on the right to search. While there are over 2 million results, only 10 results are displayed on the first page. These results are the ones Dominican Discovery thinks are the most relevant based on your search. At the very top of the page is a research starter called Hair, which links to a recent 2026 encyclopedia entry. Research starters are great if you need basic definitions or broad background information. If you scroll down, you'll see more results. Let's look at result number 2. So this is a peer-reviewed journal article, and hair is the first word in the article title. Directly under the title is information like the author's names, name of the journal, the publication date, the volume number, the issue number, the page numbers, the page count, and the database name. Under all of that information are the first 2 lines of the abstract, which is a short summary of the source. You can click Show More to see the entire abstract. Underneath the abstract are the source's first 4 subject tags, one of which is hair chemistry. You can click More to see the rest of the subjects. Let's say you think this source is useful and you want to save it for later. To save it, click the empty ribbon icon to the right of the item's title. The ribbon will fill in dark blue after the source has been added to your MyEBSCO saved items. To the right of the ribbon icon is a 3-dot icon, which leads to 4 more tools: Cite, Add to Project, Share, and Download. Cite lets you generate a citation for the source in whichever style you need for class. Share lets you create a permanent link to the source. If you go ahead and click the Share arrow icon, you'll see that you can create a link and copy it to your clipboard. This article permalink is different from the URL in your address bar, which is not permanent and not linked to your source. Because of this, you should always either save your sources to your MyEBSCO account by clicking the Save ribbon icon, or generate and save permalinks to sources using the Share arrow icon. Let's go ahead and close this window to get back to the results page. Because this article is in the library's collection, you'll see an Access button that leads to 1 or more options. The PDF option is best for saving an offline copy to your device or for printing out a copy to read. The online full text option is best for accessibility since you can auto-translate text or download MP3 audio versions of the text to listen to. Sometimes a source has a cited by button that tells you the number of other publications that have referenced it. A high number indicates a popular, possibly high-quality source, since it demonstrates that many researchers have cited that source in their own work. Lastly, if you're curious about using Dominican Discovery's search filters, using its advanced search, or requesting interlibrary loans, check out the links to those video tutorials in the description below. And if you need additional research help, please contact the Sullivan Library via phone, email, or 24/7 chat, which are all linked below. Thank you for watching.